Who's down for a tuna double stack? Doesn't that look good? This sandwich took me probably 10 minutes to put together. And oh, it was so good. So, anyway, I hope you enjoy and leave a message or comments down below. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to be making a King Cat Daddy tuna sandwich. That's what I'm going to be doing. Anyway, so I can make a quick dinner, but I'm going to make it look pretty good, I hope. Let's find out. So any good tuna salad will have a crunch factor into it, and I like to use celery. It's not doesn't overtake the tuna at all. If you want more celery flavor, you can use the leaves, and then I like to use some green onion because it's just a nice little flavor. It just enhances the tuna, so it's just one of my go-tos. I really enjoy the green onion in my tuna fish. So anyway, I think you guys would enjoy that if you never tried it. Using some Duke's mayo, and that's kind of how my mom would make it. She'd put more mayo than probably most other people did, and so I kind of got addicted to it. I might have put a little too much in here, but anyway, it turned out good. I mean, it was a tasty sandwich. And then, of course, gotta toast my bread. I didn't want to have the buttery flavor. I just wanted toasted bread. Poor Ozzy has allergies. You can see how his skin is just flaking. Man, we're spending a lot of money. Okay, I can't talk. I put some parsley down for some garnish. Pretty good tuna sandwich. So I dropped the Oreo cookie and disappeared under the dishwasher.
What? Oh, that's great. Under the dishwasher.
It was half a cookie. It's like, what the hell?